You're very welcome. What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and I am back in my hometown of Brooklyn, and today we are checking out another space, but this time a classroom. And I figured, let's do something better than just your typical video. Why not give back to the place where I grew up? So right behind me we have PS 208, and in the school there's this really awesome teacher called Miss Karpinski who aims to make learning fun and engaging, and she wanted to do more project-based learning, and I figured I'd give her some tech to help out with that. And we put some pretty cool tech inside of there, so let's check it out. So we got to the school before any teachers got there, and we proceeded to set up Miss Karpinski's classroom, and we had to move quickly because she gets to school pretty early and we wanted to keep this a surprise. So we started by replacing her old slower laptop with the Dell XPS Tower Special Edition. And you guys might remember this from the retro desk setup that I made a couple of weeks ago. We also threw in the Dell Ultra Thin 27-inch monitor so that she has a nice good looking display which won't take up too much room on her desk, so she can still have room for all her supplies. We also gave her these desktop Logitech speakers with a subwoofer, since she had to use a small Bluetooth speaker before that, and these speakers are actually really good for the price. They also include this little dial so that you can control the volume, connect headphones, and also use it as a Bluetooth speaker, and with that sub, they'll definitely have a little kick to their audio. Now for these laptops we got her these Dell G3 gaming laptops because she's really into project-based learning, and we wanted her to have awesome machines that can handle that with no problem. So that means when the kids are working on big projects in her classroom, they won't have to worry about using dated machines that move slowly. And he's also packed dedicated graphics cards like the NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti's, so if Miss Karpinski is feeling really nice, they can play some educational games really easily. And these laptops are just really impressive for what you get in terms of the specs and the overall design with the cool backlit keyboard, iridescent logo. It just looks really nice. Overall, I really do like these laptops and would definitely recommend them for anyone looking for a decent gaming laptop for under $1,000. Now, onto some of the smaller pieces here. You know how hard it is for me to not go with the best when talking about headphones, but I had to remember that these were 10-year-olds, so I went with a more budget-friendly option with these little Sony headphones. They only cost about 15 bucks, so they didn't break the bank, because I know there's a high chance the kids will break them. These are pretty decent, dependable headphones that the kids can use while they're working on their projects on the laptops, and if the project happens to be with a partner, we also got them these headphone splitters so that two kids can use a laptop at once. This way they're not resorting to using earbuds, which isn't the most hygienic, and both kids can work together. And of course, we had to reveal this all to Miss Karpinski.
Oh,
Hey, Miss.
hi.
How's it going?
Hi.
I know you have your whole setup here with your laptop. It's still there. But right here we have this really cool desktop computer from Dell.
Oh wow, that's great.
So right here we have 3 laptops. They have dedicated graphics, they're good specs. We also have some like headphones.
Oh, that's good. We really needed those.
Oh, awesome. That is great to hear. And I also got some headphone splitters. Students can gather around, put 2 headphones to
okay, really?
one laptop.
Oh, wow, that's so cool.
I know you were using this little Bluetooth speaker
this
here.
doesn't project.
I got some desktop speakers right here so that we can connect right to it.
Okay.
So then you'll have a lot more control, a lot louder sound. Yeah.
Because a lot of times that's the issue. We can't hear it.
You can't hear it, right? So
That's why you can tell that's very.
Yeah, yeah. And we also got you a little Starbucks gift card.
Oh, thank you.
So, you know, you're a teacher, you gotta have your little coffee.
Thank you.
No problem. And she seemed pretty excited about all the changes, but of course we had to reveal this to the kids, and needless to say, they were pretty excited. This is for the speakers. Oh. So this is the dial, so if you want to put the volume up or down, you can do that. And you can plug headphones in here.
Come on, boys. No Fortnite, please.
You're very welcome. No problem. And all in all, guys, I was just really excited to head back home and give a little something back to some of these kids and an awesome teacher who's helping them learn. It was just really nice to share some of the tech that I get to use on a daily basis and help them get access to some of that stuff. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up. Till then, guys, it's your average consumer. Peace.